Good morning, guys. So, starting a little late today, but I think I'm just gonna do the rear bumper. I really gotta like do work because I'm like getting anxious and like annoyed and mad about the kit because I'm basically at this point I like know that it's not gonna come for H2O even on Friday. At least that's what I think. So I still haven't received the tracking numbers from the guy. I'm pretty sure he either A, just hasn't shipped out the rest, or just shipped it out and it's not gonna get here in time. But this is why I hate relying on others for things. So yeah, very annoyed, but I'm just gonna try to work on the car to keep my mind off of things and stuff like that. So as you can see, I did that vent, this vent, sliced my finger real nice, and then I cut out, like, obviously this thing right here has like a lip to it for the quad exit, so I just cut off the lip so it's all flat. So basically now I can go from the other side and take cardboard, a piece of cardboard, and make it straight across, tape it to the other side so it's completely flat and curvature to this piece and everything, and then I can just lay fiberglass right here and shave this entire hole. Before I start, daily reminder, go vote. If you guys don't know, we're in a competition to get the M3 GTR to SEMA. It ends on October 15th, and there's basically multiple stages, and right now we're in the top 16. It started with top 64, and in about like 5 days it'll be top 8, top 4, and the last 2 people go to SEMA to compete for like 3 days for like a bunch of crap, I guess. But the link is always the first thing in the description. I already got the first day results. We have like 450-ish votes, and the guy we're versing has like 195, just basically 200 votes. So if you guys could try, you know, to vote, it'd be nice, because before we've been putting straight up gaps on people like by 500 at a time, so it'd be nice. And also, there's separate battles going on, so you could vote for other people in their battles. And if you could, vote for my friend Dom with his Fast and Furious Jetta replica. It'd be really nice if it was me versus him, just because I think it'd be cool to have Fast and Furious versus Need for Speed as like the grand finale stage, you know. And then also another thing is I'm a little bit more lively now because I finally got a notification from DHL or DLH, whatever the hell it is, that the second package is arriving tomorrow. I don't know if that's going to be the front fenders or the rear arches or both, because then there's also side skirts, so I don't know how he's shipping it, how he's separating it. But I'm glad that those are coming tomorrow, so there might be a hope for going to H2O a little bit later than I thought, but it depends what comes tomorrow in the package, and it depends when the third one comes also, because if it's just the front fenders, we can't really go without rear arches. H2O, they're notorious for pulling over people for the littlest things, and not having, you know, fenders over your wheels is a big enough thing to get pulled over. I know I'm already going to get pulled for my exhaust, but I don't want to get pulled for more than that, so we'll see what happens. A little bit more happier now that I know something's coming tomorrow. But we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and continue shaving this part now, like I said I would.
From town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
fully shaved, smooth. Watcha. I even did this line right here, so it's like, I know you can still see it, but you can't feel it. Then I kind of sanded like the whole left side, because as you can see, it's normally this color before, but I sanded all those areas, so I can actually put a 2-part primer down tomorrow on the whole piece to cover everything. So I can put the parts on like that, because I'd rather fully primer these, because like we learned with the original kit how like the paint was flaking off. They got a fully primer raw fiberglass parts. These are their quick release pins. They're $25 each. They're basically a button, you can see, and this threaded bit, the ball clips into the button, and it's really strong. It's something like up to 150 pounds per latch. So basically these are going to be mounted, whoops, these are going to be mounted like right here. The bash bar ends right here, so they're probably going to be screwed into the bash bar, and you can adjust how much they screw in and out based on these nuts. And there's just going to be a black little circle thing right here where it'll clip in, but allow it so I can just push, and then take off the whole front bumper, and then same thing is going to be for the rear bumper. So I got a quick mock-up. You see the side vents, and now you can see that this is shaved, which makes it look a lot better than having a hole there, quite honestly. Doesn't make too much of a difference. You don't even really see the bottom side too much. But I will try to maybe make a lip down here. Definitely not before H2O, but we'll see. The real GTR also had little vents right here, parallel to these vents. So we'll see. Obviously the bumper is not as high as it will be sitting. So yeah, but just wanted to take that, make you guys see what I've been working on all day. So I don't know if I'm too bright, but see you guys tomorrow when the rest of the kit comes.